Hello. Some of you had questions about question number 4 in section 4.1, the MyOpenMath homework, specifically part C, which talks about the annual percentage yield for the savings account. Okay, so the annual percentage yield is the rate for $1 compounded over 1 year. Okay, and it's known as the effective rate. If you look in your book on page 266, it talks about the effective rate versus the nominal rate. So the annual percentage yield is the effective rate. It's not the nominal rate. So how do you calculate the annual percentage yield? Okay, so the formula for the annual percentage yield, you're going to let your, usually the formula is P 1 plus R over N to the NT, but P is the principal. This time you're going to let the principal be 1. Okay, so it'll be like 1 plus R over N to the NT, and T is time, which is going to be 1 year here. Okay, and then once you get that, you're going to subtract 1, so you get the annual percentage rate. So let me write this as 1 plus R over N to the N minus 1, okay, where N is the number of compoundings. If you're using that's the notation I use in my videos and the book uses. If you're using the notation in MyOpenMath, they use K for the number of compoundings. So that would be 1 plus R over K to the KT, so T is 1, and then you're going to subtract 1 from that. Okay, so let's look at this example. This is one of the homework. This is the homework question number 4. The annual percentage rate of 4% with interest compounded quarterly. So that's the nominal rate. So the nominal rate, the nominal means named. The named rate or the stated rate is 4% with interest compounded quarterly. Okay. And so we don't need anything else. So you're going to do 1 plus R, which is 0.04, divided by the number of compoundings. Quarterly is 4 times a year, raised to the number of compoundings minus 1. Okay, so let's do this on the calculator. So I do this in pieces, divided by 4, plus 1, raised to the 4th power, minus 1. Okay, so we get 0.0406, what was it? 04060401. Right, and then the problem or the homework wants you to put it as a percent, and you round your answer to 3 decimal places. So you move it 2, so that'll be 4.060%. Okay, so if the bank tells you, or this guy, I think this guy's making money, right? Yeah, this is the amount of money that they're giving him, so it's the annual percentage yield. Whereas if you were paying the money, like paying a credit card, it would be annual percentage rate. So the bank tells him that they're going to pay him 4% interest. In actuality, he's making 4.0% interest. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer them.